Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect blocks in Jujutsu Shenanigans. First, always check the connection points on your blocks. They often have distinct shapes or colors indicating compatibility. Simply drag one block near another, and if they are compatible, you'll notice a subtle snapping effect, confirming a secure connection. This method ensures your structures are stable and function as intended, preventing accidental disconnections during gameplay. Pay close attention to the visual cues for successful linking. Moving beyond basic snaps, advanced connections often involve specialized connector pieces. These might include hinges, rotating joints, or flexible links, allowing for more intricate and functional designs. For instance, a hinge block can connect two other blocks, enabling one to pivot up to 90 degrees. Always consider the intended movement or data flow when using these advanced components to ensure your contraptions operate smoothly and efficiently. Experiment with different connectors to unlock new possibilities. Encountering connection issues can be frustrating, but many problems have simple solutions. Often, blocks might appear to connect but are slightly misaligned. Try rotating one block 180 degrees. Sometimes, a tiny, unseen object or another block might be obstructing the connection point. Ensure there's a clear path. Also, some advanced blocks require specific power or resource inputs to activate their connection capabilities, so double-check those requirements. A quick visual inspection often reveals the culprit. Effective block layout is crucial for both performance and aesthetics. Before you begin, visualize your final structure or sketch a simple plan. Grouping blocks with similar functions, like all power generation units or all processing modules, can significantly improve organization and troubleshooting. Aim for a compact design, reducing the overall space your creation occupies, which is especially important in environments with limited build areas. A well-organized layout makes future modifications much easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.